it's Susie Lee with 66 degrees. Just wanted to share my favorite app, the calendar. There's so many cool things that have come out with calendar and Gmail. Want to share this with you guys. First things first, if you go to calendar, you're going to see this bookings page. It's pretty cool because like if you have multiple ones like I do, especially my production, I think I've got like 8. It's kind of hard. It fills up. I've got different colors and it's just a mess. It's really nice to be able to see this in one area, and you can press this really quickly and it can create a appointment schedule for you. I've got multiple videos on that one, so we're going to skip that one today. The thing I want to share with you is that we have 3 right here. The cool things that you can do in Gmail now. So I'm going to send this to myself in the demo environment just so we can see what it looks like on the way back, and then demo. And then we're going to come in here and say, hey, Susie, choose your option. So first thing, we got our email. Now we have so many choices. So you can actually insert those appointment schedules. Instead of copying and pasting from calendar, we can actually just drop the link from here. I think this one is a meeting with me and Anthony. I think this one is just by myself. And then this one is a 45-minute meeting for a demo. Since this is a demo, we're going to keep it as demo. So that is one option that you can send for availability. The second option that I love is being able to propose times that you are available. Unfortunately, this is only going to be for your calendar, but if you need to meet with someone within like a couple days or within a week, this is what I like to do. Just gives time restraints and doesn't give them full access. So they were forced to pick a time within a certain range. So we're going to do 45 minutes and we're going to add dates, and we can go in here and go to a specific date, or you can just pick the calendar and just start tapping away here. I accidentally pushed this one, let's get rid of that one. And then we want to do maybe a 10 a.m. and then a 3 o'clock. And then I only want to offer these 2 times. So we're going to go ahead and put that in here. I'm going to call it demo just to be consistent. You can also put an agenda. This is going to be a demo for Google Workspace. Perfect. So we're going to add this to the email. So now we have the 45-minute demo calendar for all time. And then we also have just the proposed times, which is pretty cool because then you're forcing them to pick within a day and a half, right? And then the third option here is you can create an event. So maybe we're going to have like a QBR and there's multiple people on this email. We could create an event and say, hey, you know, maybe we know what day or time. Maybe they can meet at 12 tomorrow, and that's the event, right? We can add this, and we can add, obviously I'm sending this to myself, so it's not adding anyone, but we can also add Kevin in here if we wanted. We can invite all the folks, and then this is going to create the actual event. So just one time event, and we're going to invite all guests, and it's going to give you this pretty little link here with the calendar event. So there are 3 options here. And if you wanted to, you can actually create a booking page right from here as well. So it'll take you to this and you can create an appointment. I do want to point out they do have quick meetings. I know a lot of people love quick meetings, so there is a 20-minute option here, or you can do a custom one as well. So those are the current updates, and I just wanted to share this really quickly with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy to jump on a call with you. Thank you so much.